I'll give you a second. You're gonna know and feel if this is for you, and I'm not gonna need cards to prove that to you. You're just gonna know and feel that this message is for you. I'm hearing you're about to touch a timeline that is incredibly fortunate for you. What's really interesting though is that the angels are giving me an energy that there are infinite pathways available for you, and for some reason this is one of those times in your life where you touch, how can I explain this to you? They're almost giving me the energy of light, okay? The way that light moves through, light can go from one place to the next, to where it's being shown, right? Okay, so from here to here. Or let's do here to here, okay? Right? There's between this area and between this area, there are infinite pathways of this light to get through. And what's going to happen is that the light is going to take the quickest, not just quickest, but like over here on this point in time. And here on this point where you are, whatever arrives in this place the first is whatever pathway technically got there, but it's not to say that the other pathways aren't getting there. It's not to say that this is so hard to describe, but this is like basic, or it's not like basic physics, but it's like physics. Okay, so you're literally like this light source, and you're moving this way because you're a light source, you're a soul, right? You're going from here to here. Now, every single one of the paths from here to here, all of these paths are all happening at the exact same time. But you're about to experience memory form of the path that gets here first. Now, just because you're going to get here doesn't mean that every single other path didn't come here. It's just you hit it first. Okay, so you're about to receive a very fortunate timeline is what I'm getting, and I needed to explain that to you. I literally just said you're light. You are light energy. Okay, these are some interesting cards. We have the Three of Wands coming out. Okay, so whatever this pathway is, it's something that's like taking you somewhere else, or you're being guided by a calling somewhere else. Okay, now we also have the Two of Cups and the Star. Okay, this is kind of crazy. That's like connection, Wheel of Fortune on the bottom. I feel like this fortunate pathway that you're about to take, it's funny because in your experience, you're gonna have the memory form of the one pathway. That's going to be your concept and memory. And yet all infinite other pathways are happening at the exact same time. You're just not in memory in this place existing and experiencing them as the form of your memory. I want to use this as an example. Here we go. Okay, so you know how sometimes you're in a moment